Hi, it's Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine down at Wheels Through Time in Maggie Valley, North Carolina with my friend Dale Walksler. And we have just finished, mostly Dale and Matt, but I did help. We just replaced the single cam backup motor in my Cannonball bike. It's a 1929 JDH. And we put the 2-cam in. We did it late last night. Had a few problems with some of the ignition issues, but we sorted those out. And now Dale's going to start it for the first time and take it for a spin here at Wheels Through Time in beautiful Maggie Valley, North Carolina. And here's Dale Walksler. Let's see if we can get it on the first kick, shall we?
First kick here at Wheels Through Time on Buzz's twin cam Harley. It runs really sweet, and it's actually the first ride we've already run the machine. But I've got it primed up, engines warm, keys on, and
And as Dale goes down the road and back, this is the first time we've run it with this motor. Yesterday, I was out riding the same bike with a single cam, our backup motor, and this time we put in the hot rod. And it's the first time he's going to run it, so we'll see. Hopefully the clutch will hold up well. It should, and here he comes. And time for a little fine tuning, but it sounds pretty good. We are not running the stock exhaust. We're using a homemade stepped exhaust system. You'll be able to read about it in American Iron Magazine. Here it is again, my Cannonball bike, 1929 Harley JDH. What do you think, Dale?
perfect.